Are you tired of beginner game development and coding courses that go over stuff way too fast, use terms without explaining them, and just generally not treating you like an actual beginner? Are you intimidated by coding or think you aren't capable of doing it? This course was made just for you. Hi, I'm Matt, a self-taught game developer with over a decade of experience with the Unity game development engine and coding with multiple languages. I also taught game development at a university for over 4 years. I'll let the reviews from beginner students just like you speak for themselves. I promise you can start your journey as a game developer and coder today. You can do this.